Y'all, let's talk about Mia Live yesterday. I didn't catch all of it. I went on the other app and Pinky, the housewife, she has it on her page. And I love her. She's an older lady, just a housewife. And posts content and she's a male supporter as well. Let me tell you about Martell first. Martell, the only thing he has to hold over Mill is those children. He don't have no money. He ain't got nothing going for himself. The fact that that lady said that you think she want to be in Alabama still, the fact that she's growing with different things with her business, TikTok, she could be in California, but he holds that over her. He was once the most hated man. And she explained she didn't drop the DV. She explained all that because he tried to act like the courts dropped it, and because it wasn't something that it was wrong. That's not what happened. But it ain't gonna take too much longer. And let's get on Slaw. That man got out of court antagonizing Mill. In that car. Some things never change. Looking like a buster. While your girlfriend, here for Hot Tea, she's very popular on YouTube. I like her. Because she's a cusser. We'll cuss a motherfucker out in a minute. And she play a clip from Love and Hip Hop from Jocelyn. Hey, May. I see you got your maid uniform on. Every time she talk about Slaw, Cold Slaw, she plays that clip in some form. That's all you are to him. Somebody to help him out with his kids. And the fact that you ain't got nothing going on for yourself, you will take that too. Because you can't continue to use I'm young. I was young. Girl, you been young for the last 10, 11, 12 years. They've been divorced 5 years. And he's still trying. The fact that Martell he knows now that she will never get back with him. Never.